Hi and welcome back. My name is called Moses Wamkota, and today we are going to talk about how to make money online in South Africa. God bless South Africa so much. So stick to the end of this video so that you can reveal in the middle of this video a cool website that you must try in 2024 to make money online. Hi, I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So let's jump into website number one. Now the website number one is called Himalayas.com. This is a platform that has no experience jobs that pays well. And the requirement here of this website is that you need to have a PC or a laptop and a reliable internet connection. And you can work from the comfort of your couch. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Himalayas.com, create an account with them, and then start working on this website. And the best thing with this website is that once new job opportunities have been found, this website will notify you via the email that you registered with on this website. I tell you, this website has got a lot of job opportunities. I have received positive reviews from my friend who has worked on this website. He has told me that it's a good website to refer a friend to try applying for this opportunity. Now, once you have applied for these opportunities, what you need to do is that you have to be alert because they may be sending you an approval letter to your email that you registered with. So be alert, check your emails. Now the next website that can pay you from 45,000 to 50,000 US dollar per year and have the freedom to try new things and ability to work fully remote from anywhere in the world. And the requirement here is that you need to have a laptop and a reliable internet connection. The name of the website is called jobslevers.com/mod squad. The best part with this platform is that you can just join for free. Now the next website that you can join as a South African and then start making money online is called Invisible Technologies. This is a company that is specialized in training artificial intelligence models to write, read, interpret, and summarize. Now your job here, you will be giving this chatbot real conversation and you will be teaching these machines recovery from mistakes. So to apply, you can head on to this website called Invisible Technology. Then pass those website tests such as short passages that you need to read, and then they will test your answering speed. Now the requirement here is that you need to have a high-speed internet. And also, if you are smart in AI knowledge, you can apply for these job opportunities. So let me know in the comment section which part of South Africa are you watching this video from. And also give this video a huge thumbs up so that it can help for YouTube algorithm. Now the next website pays you just by sharing your opinion about certain products and services. There are many brands that has got their products and they want to improve their products. And these companies needs your feedback to make their products user friendly. And the best part with this website is that you can join for free. So what you need to do is that if you have a reliable internet connection and a little bit of your time, then you are good to go. So what you need to do is that you can sign up as a participant on this website and then start giving your knowledge and feedback on these products and services. And the best part with this website is that they employ people from South Africa, US, UK, Canada, India, France, Germany, and UK. So if you are watching this video from this country, you can apply for these positions. Now the name of the website is called User Interviews. So what you need to do, my lovely friends, is that you can head on to Google, then type in this website. You can sign up as a participant. So any job opportunity that comes up on this website, you will start taking these opportunities by reviewing these products and giving feedbacks. And this website will pay you. And the payment method here is via PayPal. And the secret here is that The more time you take on this website, the more money you make. Now the next website that you can join as a South African is called One Former by Scientifics. This platform offers a combination of data entry, data correction, translation, and the best part with this website is that there is no interview that is required on this website. So if you can speak multiple languages like me here, you can start making money on this platform. Remember, the name of the website is called oneformer.com. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in OneFormer, then sign up, finish sign up process, then you can start taking job opportunities on this website. So my lovely friends who are watching this video, take time, stick to one website, be persistent, and you'll be making a good amount of money on this website. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. It is your boy, your son, your brother, Moses Wamkota from US here. God bless you. Until the next time, bye. And more so, God bless South Africa more and more abundantly. Bye.